Hi, I'm Erik Fairbairn, founder and CEO of Podpoint. Back in 2017, we produced an infographic which predicted what we thought was going to happen in the world of electrification. And now, 5 years on, we're going to look back and see what we got right and what we got wrong. 2020, Tesco's has 25% share of supermarket charging. Now, I think when we did the infographic in 2017, we probably just had a small number of charging points in any supermarkets. But now, we've got over 500 stores of Tesco's with charging points and over 100 stores with rapid charging. So I don't know precisely what share we've got to, but Tesco's is a pretty fundamental part of the UK charging ecosystem with Podpoint. So I'm giving that one another tick. 2023, Jeremy Clarkson buys his first EV. Well, we're not quite in 2023, so I could still get this one right, I think. But really, I think we've seen him go from a complete cynic of electrification to lots of his coverage now he's saying really positive things. And I think we're just about on the cusp of him saying, I'm buying my first EV. So not quite there, but almost. It's a half point. 2024, EV adoption at 42%. Well, we're not quite there yet. We're about 20% of new car sales in the UK are electric at the moment. So we're well on the way and it's growing quickly. Also, the reason we used 42% is that's where Norway was back in 2017. But today, Norway is over 90% adoption of electric vehicles. So I think we're well on the way. Too early to call it, but it's looking positive. 2028, first oil company goes bust. Ooh, here's a good one. I really think that, we're really seeing the tides turn against the idea that it's okay to dig up the dinosaur juice and burn it and ruin our atmosphere. And as part of that transition, I think it's really likely that some of the big names we know in oil today won't survive the transition to electrification. So I still think we're on track for seeing one of the big oil majors cease as a business as we see this a mass move towards electrification. 2029, most popular baby's name is Elon. Ooh, now I think probably a year ago I thought we were well on track for this. I'm not so sure at the moment. There's a bit too much going on around Elon Musk at the minute to really get confident on that one. But I do think he's had a major impact on helping us all adopt electric vehicles. But overall, I'm giving myself a no on that one. 2035, one hydrogen car left on the road. I think we can be pretty safe on this one. I think there's probably only one hydrogen car on the road today. We really have seen from where we were in 2017, where there was some question of is it electric or is it hydrogen our future? Categorically, the answer is electric. Hydrogen has no role in passenger vehicles. 2040, internal combustion engine sales banned. This is a fantastic story. We're heading for that 10 years earlier. So the government has come out now after we've written that infographic and said they're going to ban internal combustion engine sales by 2030. This is great news. But it's not just about government regulation. If we look what's happening in the automotive industry, nobody is investing in internal combustion engines anymore. All of the development spend is going into electrification. So I think not only will we have a government ban, but we'll find it really hard to buy anything other than electric vehicles by 2030. So not only an up, but 10 years earlier than we thought. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe.